If we're playing this game, so
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
right.
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
I need my iPad because I don't have a reliable source of. I don't have. Okay. I love how you guys call that body as I'm doing download. You guys are like sus.
Where's the body?
Where's the body?
The body's in navigation. And yes, I called it specifically, waited until you were in the middle of a download, and then decided to call it body. Just for you, babes. So, who else went right out of the cafeteria? I know one other person did it. I can't remember.
You said it went to the right side. I went straight down, and then I took a left to electrical.
I went straight down to the inquiry.
Oh, please specify your color. Don't say I, me, you.
I'm Syed. Hola.
Okay.
I'm white.
I am pink. I was going to admin. Then I started storage fix wiring. Then I admin fix wiring. I'm an admin.
So, Red, where did you go?
I went to comms to allow.
Alright, how about this? I'm kind of sus of Red because he didn't. He was kind of near the body.
Yeah, I get that.
Get Red out because we only have 5 people. We only have 5 people. And if we get this one wrong, then we're dead. But I'm for certain that it's Red. I'm for certain that it's Red.
Oh wow.
Anthony White, thanks for the follow.
Left, sorry, yeah, it is me. My team left.
I was disconnected. Sorry, my bad.
We need some help. Yeah.
Yes.
Should have said it earlier.
Yeah.
Fucking bitch.
What the fuck was that?
You fucking retard.
Where?
It's Cyan.
What?
Can't murder whoever.
Like you cut, G.
Fuck out of here. Pew, 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 pew.
What the fuck was that?
Just pull the AFK strap. Hi, Toby. Hi, Toby.
Interesting indeed.
Alright, Pink, what do you have to say for yourself?
Are you wasting a match?
Pink, what do you have to say for yourself? You kill. Oh man.